So guys, the boss is coming in the building, like, comment and subscribe. Wagwan peeps, are we there with another
brand new banger?
But as usual guys, right before we get tonight, just remember to like, comment, share and subscribe because it really helps out the Jamaican YouTuber for sure. But anyway peeps, no more itching. Oh! Right into it. We're outside. Yeah man, outside setting again people. Happy Friday. Make we get right tonight, no? So, that one here, I'm gonna show you a clip. It's a sad story. Show under the clip and then we get right into it. You hear? Alright, so ready up.
John Griffiths, you know I'm dead because you killed me today. John Griffiths, you know I'm dead because you killed me today. When you make me have to go identify my granddaughter and my daughter in the mark. John Griffiths, you know. John Griffiths, you come from Jamaica and you don't have nowhere to stay. And my daughter and my boyfriend take you in their house. Then carry come to my yard in Miami and me take up my $100 gift to you because guess what? You didn't have nothing. And they brought you to their home and you did this to them, John. John, anybody can say anything on social media and this and that and reality. Be my guest. I am dead already. Me know I'm dead. Cause you killed me today, John. John, you come to my yard. You kill me today. When you kill me Pitney and me grab Pitney, me I tell you the honest truth. You kill me today. When you kill Kalashi and Kali. You kill me today when you did this to them. You're in their house, you have Kali on your hip every day. They play with Kali. Bring Kali to store. Me send the money, say, buy Kali ice cream. And you shoot them up like this. Just for them things. And you thought everybody was dead. But you got it wrong. John Griffiths, no say me dead. So anything will happen. I don't care anymore. I just don't care. I am dead right now. John Griffiths from Gulf. John Griffiths, I'm the type of mother that don't play. I don't care. I'm dead already. So you can be my next guest. Kill me.
Alright peeps. This video where you just watched is a cry from a mother mourning the loss of her daughter. You know, and if you guys don't know, day before yesterday, this picture that I put up, you know, message was blasting on the internet that a young lady by the name of Carla and Carly, who is her baby, went missing, you know, and late yesterday, about in the afternoon, we got information on social media and from the streets that they were found dead. You know, not only that, but the boyfriend, who goes by the name of Pinky, was also injured. Several gunshot wounds to multiple victims, and he went to the hospital and he succumbed to his injury, you know. But the sad part is Carla and Carly died, you know. Carly was the baby, passed away. It's such a sad thing, and as I talk to you guys about this, you see things popping up like there's speculation and people are allegedly saying that Carla did there with a gunman, and them do things with other people, you know, which me go put up a conversation right there, so me gonna see, you know, and people are say allegedly say she didn't know where she did get herself in her. So for Carl and Carly, this if them see I saw it go, or if I saw it go, I just wrong place, wrong time. But the mother, based on the video I wanna see, she has say, she call the person name, you know what I mean, and say, me take you in my home, me give you $100. My daughter and her boyfriend take you in them home, I should say, sorry. She give you $100 because you never have nowhere to stay. And you take the child out for she even send money for make you take the child out for ice cream. You play with Carly and all them stuff there, and at the end of the day you end up kill them because of Badmind, because of them things, and you can feel the hurt in her voice. The mother go as far to say she already dead. That's how far the mother take it. She say her life over, her daughter gone, Carly little baby gone, Pinky gone, one whole family gone. Shoot up dead, just like that. So, I don't know what I think though. I wonder if it's a setup thing. You know? It can be a setup. Set of people are saying I'm a gunman. Next evidence they say a Badmind. And the next thing I say, yo, what going on in our world, my lad? The mother say, your own virgin kill you. Your own virgin kill them. That is a man we going to people them home, yam them food, sleep in them place, get money from them, play with them baby, everything. So you can't just trust nobody no more then. All of this happen, guys, in Orlando, Florida. You know, Carly and Pinky are residents of Montego Bay. They live in Jamaica, but then they are foreign. Can hear it in the mother voice, and the mother say, you can't come for me now. She a call him name. She a say him do it. So my brother, my question is, you couldn't left a baby. You couldn't left a baby. Virgin, whosoever do this. You know what I mean? Whosoever do this, you couldn't left a baby. I just one spray, so. And the baby me feel it fine. Huh? The baby me feel it for. It is so sad. A beer young people are dead, you know. You know, say a beer young people are dead. The amount of young people are dead in accidents, car accidents, not just locally but internationally. Violence. What going on? What gonna happen now when all of the youths them dead off? How the old people are gonna left, so what gonna happen? There's no future. You can't trust nobody now. You bring somebody in your house, then play with your pitney and everything, and you think say everything is alright after you open up your heart, open up your house to them people here. And then boom bang bang, man run down upon you and your family, bam 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 bam. Or is it a case where Carla didn't know what she had do, or know what she had get herself in her, and just they at the wrong place at the wrong time? You know what I mean? When I just go and read the thing them I put up there, so right? John know it's sad. It's very, very, very sad. That's how the world gone to now. The baby. All mothers out there, I don't know what that feel. I don't even know if to react to it. And whosoever do it, if I really you brother, do it, or whosoever do it, I really hope them the mother get some justice for this. You couldn't left a baby, brother. You couldn't left a baby. Or is it just a rundown thing and just the boom boom boom? See two of them in night and just boom boom. Never know if the baby did in there. How a mix up, how them get themselves in a. What could I lead up to this? I saw so many different scenarios. You know what I mean? Let in the house. Badmind thing. You kill a man, Badmind. Alright, them allegedly say him a gunman too. You know what I mean? Is it that if it is true that him a gunman, him and somebody have something? You know what I mean? Or is it that him and the youth was gunman bridging or something and something go down and so? Yo, so many different ways to look on it. Yo. It's rough. But R.I.P. to rest in peace, I should say, to Carla, Pinky, and Carly the baby. Me feel it. Could not be anybody child. Yo, we just need to continue to pray for each other here. Pray for our family when them go out. Alright now, as me hearing a song, one time you can't even trust your shadow after dark. You know what I mean? You can't even trust your shadow. Anyway, peeps, thank you very much for watching. Share your feedback down below and let me know your thoughts on the whole matter. Don't tell anything already. It's very disturbing, you know. Very sad story. So let's go and journey with your boy.
Yeah.